everyone, welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm back with a super exciting video. I'm gonna be doing a summer nighttime routine. I feel like it hasn't really changed too much since the last time I did one, but it has been a while, so I thought I would do an updated one. I hope you guys enjoy. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you do. Comment below the best part of your night routine. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Let's just get into the video. My night routine kind of starts when I'm editing, just kind of finishing up whatever I'm working on for the day. Once the laptop is closed, that is when the night routine starts. Most nights I like to go on like a little walk outside. That's like the highlight of my day. I love seeing the sunset, going on a walk, getting some fresh air, and then changing into comfortable clothes. So that's what I'm gonna do now. And then also close the blinds, turn the lamps on, just kind of set a cozy vibe. I'm actually gonna be trying a new recipe tonight. It's a pasta primavera. If you guys watched my New York vlog, you would know that my sister just got engaged. I went with them to do some tastings for their wedding, going to like different catering places. One of the places that we went to had a really good pasta primavera. It had all these fresh vegetables and it was literally so good. That's what we're gonna be making tonight. So I hope it's good. I've never made it before. It could be terrible. I'm hoping for the best. If it's good, I'll link the recipe below. It is quite a bit later, but my pasta is done. I'm excited to taste it. Smells and looks really good. Do you see how bad this lighting is? This is why I never film in my kitchen or living room, because lighting is just so terrible in here. I'm gonna try to get a little bite of everything. There's a lot of different vegetables. This bite has a little bit of everything. Got some squash, some onion, some broccoli, some tomato, some pepper. It's good. I feel like it was kind of a lot of work because it was a lot of vegetables to cut up. Once you cut up all the vegetables though, it was pretty easy. I feel like I would make this again. It's pretty good. It's a good way to get some vegetables into your diet. My pasta was so good. I literally ate every single bite and I have leftovers for lunch tomorrow. I definitely recommend making that. I literally just texted my sister and was like, you have to make this. After dinner, I like to just clean up immediately. It's just easier to do it now and just be done. I just want to take a quick break from the night routine and say thank you so much to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. I recently created my own website and I'm so obsessed with it. I just wanted to share Squarespace with you guys because I think it's so helpful, especially if you're a content creator or a business owner. They have so many great tools on there. If you haven't heard of Squarespace, it is an all-in-one platform for building your brand and growing your business online. You can engage with your audience and sell anything from your time, your content, and of course your products. You can create and host a website that really fits your style, your aesthetic, your personality. They have so many different templates to choose from. It's so easy to customize. You can change the fonts, the colors, the layout. Like I said, I just made my own Squarespace website and I've been so obsessed with it. I have my contact information, all my different socials, and my content on there. It's just really easy to see everything that kind of makes my brand. Squarespace is full of great business tools. They literally have everything that you could think of. You can sell your products through an online store through Squarespace. Whether you sell physical products or digital products, Squarespace has all the tools you need to get started selling online. If you sell in person, like if you have have pop-up shops. You can connect a Square Reader to the Squarespace app. You can keep your orders, inventory, and customer data in sync with your online store. Something I love is the asset library. You can upload, organize, and access all your content all from one place. It just makes it really easy if you've already uploaded some pictures to Squarespace and you're wanting to add them to a different part of your Squarespace website. They're already there, so you don't have to like search for them all over again. Another tool I love is all of the blogging features. You can share stories, photos, videos, and you can categorize and organize and schedule your posts. I'm not a blogger, but I am a content creator, so I know that that would just make it really, really easy. I've been absolutely loving Squarespace. I think you guys would really, really love it too. They just have so many great tools and they make everything so streamlined, just having everything all in one place. I definitely recommend checking it out. Go to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/EmilyGrace to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. It is now time for my skincare routine. I'm just gonna take my makeup off and do my skincare. How cute are these pajamas? I'm literally obsessed. They are from Jerv Avenue. I literally can't see because I don't have my glasses on. I'm just gonna take off these little eye gels. Now I can see again. I just took off my makeup. My skin is feeling so fresh, so clean. I didn't really do anything too out of the ordinary. I just did my very basic skincare routine, which is what I do at night when I'm tired. Just changed into these pajamas. Jerv Avenue just came out with a new collection of pajamas. There's so many cute things. Now I'm just gonna do a little planning before I go to bed. I like to kind of plan out the next day and just kind of get organized. I just took a little time and kind of planned out my day for tomorrow. Sometimes I'll just do that on my phone. I'll just look at the calendar app, kind of go on my notes app and just type up a little to-do list for the day, kind of based on what I already have time blocked or maybe what I didn't get done the day before. Just like a little bulleted list that I can easily check off for the next day. Kind of like time block it and just put like specific times for each thing. So I kind of have like a little schedule that just kind of keeps me on track. So once I wake up, I kind of already know my plan for the day. Now I'm just kind of scrolling. I actually just did a little Duolingo lesson. That is pretty much my night routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did. And if you'd like to see more routine type videos on my channel, comment below the best part of your night routine. Definitely make sure to check out Squarespace. I'm gonna have it linked below at the very top of my description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in a couple days for my next video. Bye.